Delicious beans. So quick, so easy. Stay tuned if you want to see. Good morning, dolls, and welcome back to the Discount Vegan. I am Lizzie. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. And today we are doing cooking of dry beans in your rice cooker. Yes, I said it, in your rice cooker, because I have figured out there is not much you cannot do in even the most basic rice cookers. So what you're actually seeing is me just pouring the beans in dry, obviously. I personally like to put a little pinch of salt in, fill with water 2 times the amount of beans you have in there, and then turn it on and let the rice cooker do everything for you. It will eventually start boiling, which means it is cooking the dry beans. And you don't have to do anything except for keep an eye on it and make sure that it stays at a good water level. The last thing you want to do is let your rice cooker turn off on you, which means that it's done cooking, everything is moisture free. That's one thing you don't want. So just make sure you keep an eye on it. When it looks like there's no water left, just put a little bit more in until you get the consistency of what you want in your bean. You can overcook it to get a very mushy bean, or you can undercook it slightly so that if you're storing it for other recipes, then you can throw those in to whatever you're cooking at that time. And that is literally pretty much it, dolls. That's all you have to do to get a cheap, protein-filled, delicious bean for less than canned. And on top of it, you are saving the cans, the paper, all that jazz, because if you buy at the bulk store, barn, whatever you want to call it, if you buy at the bulk store, you can bring your own containers usually nowadays, so it can also be completely waste free. Whoa! See how quick this is? In less than 20 minutes, I have cooked beans. So easy. Look how yummy that is. That is going into everything. This took less than 20 minutes. I timed it this time just for you guys. And see, it's blazing hot. This is really stupid, but it is all squishy and delicious. And now it just has to turn off, cool off, and we're going to throw it in its container and chuck it in the fridge for meals for later, because I actually cook my beans in bulk for the week. So I know what I have and what I need it for. So yeah, here we go, and I'm just going to speed through the rest of this just for you. Okay, and that is all for how to cook dry beans in a rice cooker. Mind blowing, isn't it, everyone? So thank you so much for sticking around and watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, ignore the fact that my rice cooker is incredibly dirty. Please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below of what else you want me to show you that I in fact can cook in a rice cooker. And in the next video.